Hold that, let me take my time.
Alright, let's dig into the next one now. The box is right here. Obviously it says Turbosmart on it, so let's see what they sent us. It's hey, no, not really. All right, what do we have? What's in this box right here? This is a black box with TS. I'm assuming, I will assume this goes with the E-gate. Yes, it does. So let's take that out of the box. This is the black box. This is the black box that goes with the E-gate. Here's the pin connector, logo, card. All right, great. All right, what's next? What's next? What's next? Got this is a bigger. It's a bigger box right here. What do we got? Oh, and here we have it. The straight gate. The straight gate. So I'm gonna give you some. Oh, it's got the clamps. They got the clamps that come with it, and yeah. Hold on. So the second box is also a straight gate. So we'll be running 2. And for those of you that don't know why we'll be running 2, you'll know soon enough. No, so all right, second straight gate, and of course it has the clamps in the box. I won't remove it because the clamps are already right here. All right, let me give you a quick rundown on these straight gates, man. If you don't know, sit down, grab some popcorn. You're about to get informed right now. So the straight gates, they're the world's first butterfly external wastegate. That's number 1. It allows enormous flow, almost linear control with boosts that's unparalleled in its range. In addition, there's no reference hoses, there's no springs, there's no diaphragm. It's full electronic control, which means when it comes to tuning, you have a wide range of possibilities. That means the tunability is basically sky's the limit. So it's got a 50mm butterfly offset valve. You can mount it in almost any position. It's got a 7-pin connector that I showed you earlier. Stainless steel body and shaft. It's equipped with a digital and analog position sensor. So I know some of you guys are here for the nitty gritty and you're wondering, why would he need 2 of these? I'll fill you guys in on the next video. So it's not a part 2, it's just a continuation of the parts that's going into the build. So just pay attention and we'll show you guys. Try to keep this thing as short as possible. All right, what's next? What's next? What's next? We have the Raceport blow-off valve, Gen V. We have it right here, another Turbosmart sticker. We got the bolts for the vacuum line. I'm assuming it goes on the top here somewhere. Yep. All right, that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward blow-off valve. Well done. Let me see if we can get it out this bag for you. And yeah, the Raceport Turbosmart blow-off valve. So the Raceport turbocharger is well renowned for its lightweight design. It is specifically for turbocharged competition style engines. It's got a quick release aluminum design, high temp billet silicone Nomac diaphragm, billet 6000 series aluminum, that's what it's made out of, and it's got a M-spec anodized valve guide and stem. What else we got? So we have fuel pressure regulator. It's the Turbosmart FPR6 fuel pressure regulator. Pretty small here. See if we can give you a few little tidbits on this. So fuel pressure regulator, it's self-explanatory. It regulates the amount of fuel pressure. Yeah, it is paramount to have a fuel pressure regulator to regulate the fuel pressure coming from the pump all the way up into the motor and throughout the entire fuel system. So if you're planning on upgrading your fuel system, a fuel pressure regulator is a must, is a guaranteed must. I would assume that the black box is the communicator that helps the electronic wastegate communicate with the ECU in terms of how much pressure and all the stuff when it should open, when it shouldn't open, and whatnot in terms of boost. So this probably is the brain. If I'm not, you know, if it's not, someone correct me, but I believe it is the brain that allows it to communicate with the ECU and tell the E-gates what to do and what not to do.